Here at Health Force Kentucky, we have a new piece of equipment, the BullsEye fire extinguisher. We're going to show you today how to use this.
Hey guys, so the first step with using this BullsEye I'm going to show you guys is how to plug it up properly. First you want to plug it in with this round part facing up, this flat piece right here, back here, not right here, and then this is the USB plug-in if you ever want to take that data. Over here, this is the smaller one, and this is to charge your fire extinguisher. It'll hold a charge for 85 minutes, but you always want to check beforehand before using that it's fully charged. So again, another circular plug-in, and then this is where you would plug to charge. Once your extinguisher is charged, wait about a minute and you should see this blue light indicating that it's ready and booted up. And then over here, to turn this on, you just unclip the hose real quick, press this, and then you'll see a green light pop up. That indicates that it too is ready. In order to activate the flame, you need to get this handheld controller and you'll press the start button right here. Class A is going to be just a normal like wood fire. So this is a Class A fire, but there are other classes that you can use like the liquid fire and electrical fire. You can also change the difficulty levels on here to make it a little bit harder to fight the fire. So once you hear that beep, that means that your trainee is ready to start doing the sweeping motion and spraying and fighting the fire. So once your fire's started, now you're ready to do your sweeping motion and start with your fire extinguisher. And sometimes with this, if there's harsh lighting directly on the panel, it'll be hard for the laser to pick up. So you want to dim the lights, pull your pin like this, detach this, aim at the base of the fire, grab this handle, squeeze. You can see that laser. And then at the end, it'll tell you your time for how long it took to fight the fire.
All right, so this has just been a quick demonstration to show you how to use the BullsEye fire extinguisher. We include an instruction sheet. We will also help you on your first round on how to set this all up. And the audience where this can hit is a variety. Anyone that has any fire extinguisher training that needs to be done instead of an on-computer module, this is more of that hands-on activity that will help them know their skills. And thanks for joining us today.
If you are within our 16 county region and interested in leasing or having a loan of any of the equipment, please contact healthforcekentucky.org and fill out an event, equipment, or tour request.